Hey friends, welcome to my infinite world. For more videos and tutorials on makeup, hairstyle, beauty benefits and much more, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell. Hello guys, this is me Trivedi and welcome back to my infinite world. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you 3 totally different eyeshadow looks. So keep on watching. So before I start my eye look, I'm just gonna tell you that I am done with my base already. Here I'm gonna take only one brush for all eyeshadows look. So it is a Vega eyeshadow brush in a medium size. For this look, I'm taking a dark brown shade and applying it on the corners of my eye. Sorry for that funny face. I wore lenses and it is really very horrible for me to wear it. I usually wear spectacles. And yeah, so next I'm taking a lighter shade of brown and gonna apply it on my crease. Just draw a line and merge it very properly so that any harsh line can't be seen. So then I'm gonna take yellow eyeshadow and gonna place it on the remaining of my crease. Take your time and merge it with brush so that there is no harsh lines. Okay, so for the eyeliner, I'm taking a liquid liner and creating a winged eyeliner. Look. So I'm gonna add a white eyeshadow to the brow bone to highlight it. To complete this look, I'm gonna apply a volume lashes mascara to my lashes, my upper lashes and my lower lashes. Okay, so I'm just completed my second eye look. For lipstick, I'm going to use Elitine Colourpop's matte in the shade of B41 Chocobite. And yeah, I completed the look. I hope you people like the video and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also not forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye.